Um, Data driven testing, converting Excel to JSON file. Suppose if you want to write data in the Excel file and use in the script, we need to first install XLS file. npx install XLS. Once we install that, check whether that is installed or not in the package.json file. In the script, import XLS module, and then to write JSON data into the fixture, we have to give where fs equal to require of fs, workbook equal to where workbook, create workbook object, if xlsx dot read file. So create one Excel in the framework itself, spreadsheets book1.xls. Worksheet, create worksheet object, give the worksheet name, worksheet of sheet of 1, and then convert that Excel data into JSON using xlsx dot utils dot sheet to JSON. Inside give the worksheet. Console.log to check whether the data is loaded correctly or not, converted to JSON or not, and then write file. We need to convert the JSON to string. For that we have to give JSON.stringify user data. To check whether any errors are there, give error. If any errors are there, you will show in the log file. Execute the code. Suppose if you want to use the data, you can use the data user data and .json. From there, data.username. In this way we can use the data. Reading and writing from the JSON and text file. First write the data in text file, sample text.txt. In that write the data, sample text.txt. Write file is used to write the data. Create .txt file in the framework. Write file sample text.txt. Inside write the data whatever you want to write, and then create JSON file and write the data. Write file, give the path of the JSON file. Inside write the data, so it will write into the JSON file. Reading the data. First in the text file, how to read the data. Read file sample text should not exist. If it is exist, contain the text. How to read the data in the JSON file. This is the way how to read. cy.fixture example. Then we load everything into the profile variable. Expect profile dot what is the whatever the value is present in example.json, that dot true dot to dot equal inside the value. So for login function we can use this. Next one, how to use XPath. Cypress support only CSS locate. Suppose if you want to use XPath, we need to do these steps. First install XPath, npm install -d Cypress, and then include require Cypress -xpath in the index.json file. In the main script give cy.xpath, whatever xpath you want to give, you can give it.